Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study nursing management using an easy method. First, begin by understanding the foundational theories of leadership and management within a healthcare context. This involves grasping concepts like transformational leadership and situational leadership. Next, focus on developing strong communication skills, which are crucial for effective team collaboration and patient advocacy. Remember, a solid grasp of these basics will set you up for success in your nursing management studies. Moving on, let's delve into key concepts and their practical application. It's essential to understand how different organizational structures influence nursing care delivery. Pay close attention to quality improvement models, such as the Plan-Do Study-Act cycle, which can significantly enhance patient outcomes. Additionally, familiarize yourself with the legal and ethical frameworks guiding nursing management decisions. Applying these concepts to case studies will solidify your understanding and prepare you for leadership challenges. Now, let's talk about effective study techniques to make your learning easier. Active recall, where you test yourself frequently, is far more effective than passive reading. Try creating detailed concept maps to visually connect different management theories and their practical implications. Joining a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss challenging topics and gain new insights from your peers. Aim for at least 2 hours of focused study each day. Finally, sustaining your knowledge and fostering continuous growth is vital for any aspiring nursing manager. Make it a habit to stay informed about the latest healthcare policies and emerging management trends. Seeking guidance from experienced nursing leaders through mentorship can provide invaluable insights and support. Regularly reflect on your learning journey, identifying areas where you can further develop your skills. Consider dedicating 30 minutes weekly to professional development activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.